Hello everybody, I'm live. Well, I forgot to actually my streaming. Yep, I am. Well, what's up everybody? I'm live after a couple of hours. So what is up? How's it going? Anyways, let me just go and open the stream on my mobile phone so that I can see the thing. I mean the chat, guys, and then we can just move forward. Anyways, welcome everybody. And in today's stream, well, yesterday I forgot to actually do the Twitter Ask thing and I kind of skipped on it last time, but let's hope that I can actually do it this time. I already have the X folder ready, and let's hope I don't have any dot and thing. Okay, no need to worry about anything. I'm not sure what the hell is dot pjs thing. Anyways, you are pro, make your own. Anyways, I don't really remember the full. Maybe it was in project. Then I had something called Twitter oauth. Yes, sir, we found it. Well, congratulations to Sunshine. They got a night. He got a nitro, and it was for Hacktoberfest thing, which is now finally ended. Let's everything. As you can see, this thing ended finally. It's done. And let me just send the alert here as well. Alerts. Congrats. Um, winning the first prize. Oh, it's I cannot comment on it. My well, can I edit it? Let's see. I mean, I should have done this here. Did it worked? Yep, it worked. That's everybody. It worked. And let's see what else do we have, or what else can we actually do. Uh, um, sure. It's um bot party time. Anyways, let me just make it so that I can see all the messages because right now I see none, but there is a viewer. Not sure who is that person. Maybe they are not sending any messages. Let's see. Well, I cannot close the issues now because I cannot close because yeah, stuff. Anyways, I think I should actually start working. Right, time to code now, lol. See, what do I have to? Well, I have to go Twitter OAuth. Let me just open the Twitter API. Twitter user OAuth. Your PFP is too good than any other. Oh well, yeah, that's a PFP, and so is the background thing. But anyways, let's have the OAuth 2 docs here, and let's hope that I can actually code it all today because I don't actually not do that. Maybe I should just. Can I stop it? Right click, right click, back. I should be able to actually delete that thing, delete that element. Should I just delete the main section? Yeah, that worked. I wonder if it is still taking internet. Well, it is still have those get requests which we are doing the video playback thing. Let me just block them. No, how do I block it? I don't really want to temporarily just block the UI. Okay, I will just close. I will just do this. Right click, pop out the chat, do that thing, and just read this chat. This is perfect. And can I just merge it with that? But anyways, music we see Anna streaming right now. Later. All right. This seems like nobody actually clicked on the announcement channel. That is what it said. But yeah, can help it. Can we? Let's. Do I have anything else? Okay. Today I think I should focus mainly on the coding part because yesterday was quite a damn day. Because yesterday I have kind of skipped actually coding. I mean, I have a library which I work to. Pro coder moment. All right. Let me just send a couple more messages. How's your birthday? He says, I see you are working on roles. Who's working on? Maybe he's talking to Zen, not me, not Vicky. Sad life, sad indeed. Let me just link role info. Oh, maybe he's talking to me. What's this? igcode.js. We have Zen, the contributor, and somebody else. And what is this? igcode.js. Seems like that's a very unique logo. Absolutely. And then we have client comment. Pretty much seems fine at the moment, similar at the moment. And I think I'm not sure what's the maybe they are mainly working on the cache system. Intents का भी करना intents का करना भी मैं uh, kind of because then you will get more events from Discord API. If today is your birthday, then why did I wish you that day? Well, let's ignore this. Let's actually focus on programming built with love, made with JavaScript. All right, so we have to actually work app only authentic the context set. This is the one that we actually want. Let me somehow make this thing today. It's not only meat or tomato. Uh, all right, I think I should just close Discord for now. Otherwise, I will stay. Otherwise, I will be stuck there. Let me close Spotify as well because I don't want to get a copyright claim for no good reason. Anyways, can I? Okay, I wish I could. But wait a second. I can just copy this URL and I can open it here. Let me try it. Paste. Then why will I have this? Stupid. Alright. Let me try to say something. Is this working? Um, Let me see. Yep, it is working. Congrats, everybody. We can actually read the chat. That's what. I wish somebody could just say hello to, that I can be sure that yeah, I am actually chat. I think the dot end thing is so firstly, let me see if I have some things installed. Yep, I have Express and I have Exos. So I'm gonna start with creating a app. Let me do it real quick. Yo, Flame, what's up? Okay, it is actually working. What's up, man? And today I'm going to code Twitter authentication thing because I need to make it. And I am. It's been days since I have to make it, but I'm unable to actually work on it because of course I'm lazy. And also, happy Deepavali. How was your Deepavali? Not even actually started properly, but what's up? Um, Anyways, let's see. What do we actually need? First of all, we will need to actually listen to a port and just do process dot. Well, I can just do 3000 because I let's do process dot m dot port. In case I just copy paste this code, I don't want it to break. Otherwise, we can just go to 3001 and then we can have this URL console dot log. We can say started listening. Web server started. All right, that's fine. Now let's do one more thing. First of all, I will just make a simple get route. I'm not going to do some complex thing. You know any API that can fetch if someone subscribed? I don't think so. Well, okay. I think we can get a list of subscription from a person. Let me just do that YouTube API get a user subscription. Subscription. I think yeah, this is the thing. This is a thing. See. Well, how does it work? API. Let me just thing send it. Request is missing a valid API key. Okay, what are the required parameters? First of all, I need a valid API key and I don't have this part. The part parameter specifies a comma separated stuff. We have channel ID. The channel ID parameter specifies the YouTube channel ID. That API will only return that channel subscriptions. Yeah, you can use this flame. You can simply do this. You can go on this URL, okay, and then what you have to do is first of all, what you have to do is see, you will need to do this. Let me just copy this text. You will go on this URL. You can do question mark channel ID is equals to the YouTube channel ID. That's what you do, and then what you have to do is then you will need to provide your API key. I don't know if you provide it in headers or if you have to provide it if session could not be subscribers account suspended how to access that. Oh well, you can have these things as well when their subscriptions are private. I think we don't really have any definite solution for that. Okay, I think I don't know how to do that. My bad. But yeah, this part can somewhat work for you. You will also need to do the API key thing. Probably it is via, you know, via headers, but I am not sure. It's been long since I used the YouTube API. I think last time I used it in real quick. Last time I used it in a package. I won't like you have seen in GitHub if some star it will send to this. Well, I mean we can kind of do that, but it is only possible if that persons have public subscriber count, and then we can get a list of active subscribers or something. I'm not 100% sure. We will need to look that up. And the last time I used YouTube API was for this thing, Discord bot YouTube notification. Let me check the source code. I don't even have the GitHub linked. That's so dumb. Let me go to GitHub/Karthik thing and search for YouTube here. I must for YouTube notifications. Yes, sir, we have it. We also have a fork. That's interesting. I don't want to fork it. What the hell? But anyways, this is the time when I actually use the API. There's a utility called lastvideo.js. All right. So what I'm doing is I use this thing. Okay, so that's how we use the API key. Question mark key is equals to the API key. So I'm using this thing for actually getting the list of videos in a channel. This was quite a great thing. And if we do not have a API key, we can just use the YouTube feed thing. Let me just show you real quick. Copy it, paste it, and by the way, go to youtube.com. And then I will need to search for probably crazy developer, and then I can just click on here, and that's not I want, man. How can I get the channel ID? How do I get the channel ID, man? That's quite a good question. Well, let's try to put the channel name instead. Will it was not found? What do you mean? The feed URL no longer works? This means this package is dead? Congrats everybody, we have a dead package. The YouTube feed thing no longer exists. Holy shit, that kind of sucks. That's interesting. Let me search YouTube video feed dot xml. It no longer exists, man. How to get a RSS feed for YouTube? Yes, sir. Well, they are also suggesting me the same URL, but this thing no longer exists, man. Just call. Oh wait, it might be because I didn't give a valid channel ID. What I'm saying? Wait a second. Let me just copy it real quick. Copy and then paste it. Wait. Okay, I'm waiting. While I will just go on YouTube and get a channel's ID somehow. I don't know. Hello channel. I'm just searching random things so that I can get a small channel. Type should be channel. It should have less than 100 subscribers. Yeah, there we go. Let me just copy his ID and go here and paste the damn thing. Yeah, it works. Let's go. You can see it is working. Let me just copy that thing. Flame तुझा शो flame तुझे शोकाकू आता है ना? Oh, good question. Well, let's see what is this. We have YT colon channel, and then we have the channel ID. Then we have another channel ID. Then we have high change. Then we have some YouTube. It is a channel URL. Then we have some date. Then we have YT video. Then we have video ID twice. Then we have another. We have the channel ID. Then we have the name of the stuff. Well, yeah, that's how it works. RSS feed. Well, let's just remove all of it. We don't actually need. Remove this as well. Remove well this as well. This as and flame code. You don't know Hindi. Bra mine. Oh wait, what do you mean by mine? Should I check your channel for the RSS feed thing? Let's see. And by the way, meanwhile, I will actually start working from a response and request.ip. Let's just send a status instead of 200. This will be better. And yes, he know Hindi, of course. Let's see. Now, what do I need to do? How long? I don't really care about that. We have scopes, application mapping guide. That's a lot of shit. Tweet dot read. All the tweets you can view, including the tweets from protected accounts. All right. And the second thing is tweet moderator. Hide and anonymize tweet user dot read. So what is this? मुझे कुछ बात याद थी। So wherever what about well if you want maybe you can create a help request thing here or probably on Flames channel. I mean on the server. Anyways, what's up here? Like all subject except the language ones. I think as an Asian and the boost, they made it a HTTP interaction. What do you mean? Well, let's ignore it, man. Why the hell I'm getting distracted? I should focus. All right. So what do we need? I forgot what am I creating? What am I creating, man? Forgot. Wait. I just need to authenticate. I just need their Twitter ID and Twitter username. That's all I need for authentication. So let's see what are the scopes that we need. User.read. Any account you can view, including like tweet you have liked, and we don't need that. I don't need any of the scopes. I just need their username and their ID. Think. Anyways, what's up? Like I saw a video where 80% of people didn't FPs. It's fucking iron. Anyways, let's get back to the damn thing. oauth 2 grocery. Okay, that's interesting stuff. So oauth 2 uses a similar flow what we use oauth 1. You can check the diagram and detailed explanation in our subject. For sure, I will love to do that. Okay, so what do we do? Firstly, user clicks a sign in with Twitter, and if this sign in, then they will ask a user to grant the access, and then site will collect the data. Otherwise, they are not signed in. Oh, well, yes, stuff happens. Let's ignore that because I understand the logic kind of more or less. Wait a second. Ah, the user. Well, yeah, that thing is pretty much prepare a authentication URL parameters response type client ID redirect URL state. Yeah, this is what we need. We have a authentication URL finally. You weren't able to give access to the app. Go back, try to log in again. Just copy it, go back. Oh, okay. Let's try to actually make this domain. First of all, we will have a thing called app.get slash login. That will be the login page where people can log in. I make video on Lavaling music board, but not Shukaku. I know, bro, about Puru, but I don't use the Paras package. But anyways, let's do async request comma response. Now we have our thing const redirect URL is equal to terminate. So first of all, we have the client ID that I can give probably a random example. So give me a second. Let's go on and what example we have Twitter client ID. Yes. To I think I forgot to install the dot and then dot. Let me do it real quick. npmi.n, and let me use this thing real quick. Ask, but ask to create developer then. Shui your padana. Okay, sir, give me a. I think it is full. Maybe it is me who is not talking properly. I will try to speak properly now. Let's hope you guys can hear me now. Hopefully, well, I think you. I'm not sure if the voice is actually broken, or maybe it is. I mean, I'm not really using a good microphone or something. It's like a headphone I purchased probably 6 years ago or maybe 5 years ago, and it is still working. That's a really good thing. That's something I really appreciate. But yeah, it is something. But anyways, let's get back to the authentication URL thing. We have the client ID, then we have the redirect URI. All right, man. So that's a really great question. What can I do for that? Let's do this. Then, by the way, let me just do it. Process dot n dot redirect dash URI. Other, I can't even type. Otherwise, redirect dash URI. Let me just copy it. Go to .m.example for now and paste it here. Boom and boom. Now, as you can see, I will need to make a variable called redirect URI because I need it. Pro shard status page bana sakta. Well, I think maybe I've never worked on it, so of course I have no damn idea if it's something that is beyond or that is something I can do. I will need to check the Discord API, which will actually show. I think let me just check. Let me just phone call.gg or maybe dino.gg. I saw one of these bot having a status page for the shards. I think we just have to show how many users are in a shard and if it's online or if it is dead. I think that should be possible. We can do probably something like let's see, probably client dot shards or something, and then we can do the damn thing. And yes, sunshine won. Anyways, let's remove all of this. Let's get back to our Twitter bot thing. Redirect URI. Then we have the scope, tweet.read and user.read and account.follow. That's a damn lot of scopes. We don't need that many. Just tweet.read will be good enough, I think. And what is the state thing? I have no damn idea. Let me check what is state. A random string you provide to verify against CSRF attack. The length of this string can be up to 500 characters. What is up with that? Prevent attacks and redirect user with over two string parameters. The primary reason for using a string parameter is to migrate the text by using a unique and non-guessable value. Oh well, it is supposed to be something secret. So just say I can call it something like process dot n dot secret Twitter state, and let me make a variable for it as well. All right. After I will need to, okay, we have a code challenge thing. I will need to check that out as well. What the hell is that? Code challenge. PKC parameter random secret for each request you make. A random secret for each request. Okay, that's interesting. When the native web begins authorization instead of browser the okay, I think I don't need to have a constant value for these things. It is going to be something random and something non-guessable. And guess what? How can we create something random like that? Of course, it's pretty simple. Why did I created this package? Of course, for use cases like this, I can just go on, where is it? Create random ID. I made this weird thing 1 year ago for fun, and it is actually useful today. That's such a great thing. Well, of course, I can just code this thing, but I will like to use the package instead because it is easier that way, and it is kind of better for me that way, to be honest. Let's see. Slash imports slash constant slash web API um slash getting the n. Let me just remove it from here and put it inside the imports thing so that the thing's a bit more organized, And now in our state, instead of all of this, I can just do this random ID. Sorry. What do I do next? Right click, go to definition. What? Random ID dot. Is this thing and oh well, there is a spelling mistake here. Dude, there is a spelling mistake in the damn package. What is wrong with me? Who the hell is the developer of that shit? But yo, Siddhant, what's up? Yo. Anyways, I have a message. I'm not sure if Shanshan claimed the thing right now or not. He don't have a nitro yet, so he didn't claim it. Why is he not claiming the thing? You guys can probably look at my browser. Meanwhile, I will make sure that the thing is clean. Bro, can you add Pokey name? Okay, name. Your side was cool. Alright, guys, I messaged him real quick. Let's hope he will claim it now. And let's get back to the Twitter OAuth thing. So we were creating a random ID, you might remember. Let's do this. So first of all, we have to give it a length. Let's make it probably 20 characters. Then we need to give it a type or something. Um, give it letter and the number type. These two should work fine. And we can do the same thing for our, that code challenge thing. Well, let's copy it and let's go in our code challenge and paste it here. Now we have code challenge method that is equals to plain. I have no idea how the method thing works. Let's find out. Specify the method you are using to make the request. I have no damn idea. I think plain is fine. Now we have authentication URL. Be sure to check out the percent. Okay, we need to do some encoding as well. Okay, well, I can do that. Hard. Let me just find out. Let's see what is up. What signature is requesting to be encoded according to that set. Okay, okay. And all right. Oh well, why did I close it? I'm so dumb. All right. Now, guys, what I actually have to do is what's up? I don't know, man. I don't code. Shishu-san also. How is this? What's this? Okay, that looks like a cool that. What is it? A orbit. Cool as always. All right. Let's get back to our thing. What's this? By default, the access token you create is this. But for your PKC will only stable unless you have used this scope. Let's use this scope maybe. Maybe we don't need the scope because we just need the better. Alright guys, we are almost done with the redirect URI. What we need to do is, first of all, let me just copy this thing and paste it and remove it and do slash login slash callback and let me just paste the damn thing above so that people can be redirected and I can just say response.m GG. Anyways, now let's actually try doing this thing. For that, let request dot sorry, it's response dot redirect, and then I can just give them the redirect URL, and it should work theoretically. Let's find out. To be honest, I have no damn idea. Package.json, it will. Why didn't it initialize the damn thing? A minute, and let's see. Twitter auth is fine, version is fine, description is fine. This is what I need to do, and everything else is fine. Perfect. I can just do node mon dot instead of that thing, and then I'll go like let's wait for it. Meanwhile, I will just type localhost 3001 slash login. Holy shit, it's okay, okay. Something went wrong. You weren't able to give access to the app. Go back and try logging in. Okay, that's interesting. The client ID is undefined. Okay, that apart from that, the state thing, challenge thing, fine. So the Twitter client ID is actually undefined. That's weird as hell. I will need to find that out. Twitter client ID. So guys, give me a second. You guys can look at my Discord or something. You guys can look at the browser. I will check out .env Twitter client ID. It is totally perfect here. I can see it. Oh, I forgot to do record.env.config. My bad, everybody. Let's just see. Let's go on localhost 3001 slash login once more. Please log in, my friend. And it logged in. And it again says something went wrong. Maybe my app is not allowed to actually authenticate users. So I guess you guys can look into my Discord. Enjoy the Discord, everybody. General. Eh, I messed up a bit. General. Alright, you guys can see the thing now. Thanks, mate. Now what I actually need to do is, let's see. I will need to, well, you cannot see the thing. And meanwhile, you guys can chat. Alright, let me just say, uh, YouTube is watching this chat. I am going to go and do something. You should entertain them. Entertain them. Well, nobody is actually on the stream, so it is kind of uh funny thing. Same to you. Let me just go and actually do the coding stuff. Let me just make sure you cannot see me. Yes, you cannot see me. Perfect. Now I need to go on the developer portal and see. Let's see what I actually have to do. We have our crazy bot project and apps. We have our product crazy bot. Let's see how can I allow it for authentication. Authentication allow user to log in with your app. Read, write, and direct message. First email. What is this? Web app. That's perfect. Authentication URL. Coincidentally, it is also perfect. And website URL organization. Lot of other bullshit. The thing is, it is actually not working. Only I am watching. Oh wait, you are watching. I thought you also left, but seems like it. Seems like everybody left the chat. Sadly, yes. And seems like nobody is actually entertaining the chat. That's sad as well. But the thing is, I think I will just show you the full screen. I have to learn how it actually works. First of all, let's get back to the localhost 3001 slash login. For some reason, I'm unable to do it. Something went wrong. You weren't give access to the app. Try logging in again. Let me just Google search the same thing. Alright. And let's find out what's up with that. Get new access token. For me, it is because I used localhost in my callback URI. Don't use localhost. Instead, use this. Please use a custom host or do this. Oh, thanks a lot. That was pretty simple. Let me try this real quick. Let's go to dev portal instead of localhost shit. I will just remove that. We can do 3001, right? This should work. Let's actually try to, let's find out if it is working. Control plus C, Control plus T, bam. Perfect. It is working perfectly fine. Let's save the damn thing. It works. Now let's remove the damn thing. This damn thing. That's perfect as well. So you can see this might work now. Let's go to this slash login. What's up now? What's up with the redirect URI this time? Give the this method, that method. Where's the redirect URI? I can't seem to find the redirect URI. This time it was fine. Come on, you are just scamming me now. What is up? What's this? Callback URLs. Let's find out what is wrong here. Something is wrong with the callback URL thing. Put for okay, fine. Since you are passing the callback URI as a callback parameter, please make sure that you HTTP encode the URL. Okay, my friend. The URL real quick. Where is that? There it is. Let's just do this. Encode URI component. Now I'm actually encoding it. This might work now. This might not work now. Let me first of all let me just remove all of this. Um, okay. Localhost, sorry, we can pass this, then we can do slash login. And now it is not freaking working for some reason. We Then we have the callback URI. That seems perfectly. Don't use localhost. Instead of using localhost, please use this. Okay. Custom protocol URLs. If you want to like take a file deeply, that thing disallowed protocols. Interesting. And then we have what? Error example. Callback URL not approved for the client. Approved. Let's actually try it out. What happens if I try to give it a somewhat invalid URL? Let's make it 120. What happens now? Nothing happened. Ah, what is wrong? Next steps. Okay, that this was not much helpful. My problem is solved now. The issue was because I have not added the callback URI in post. Second main reason for that is I didn't not add the accurate scopes. Okay, that does not looks good. Yo, let's go. Thanks for the boost, man. Congrats, guys. We are now two boosts closer to level 2. I don't know who is watching the stream because I'm not, but how is this render? Oh, okay. You're learning. Let me just say, how do I type, man? You are learning Blender. Damn. Anyways, what's up? See, where was I? So, guys, I think I kind of failed in doing the damn thing. Let's see what I can do. Maybe I can just watch a YouTube video real quick. Give me a second. I'm not. Yeah, I'm going to just do that. See, I remember searching this. Yes. Let's hope that I can actually watch this video now and actually make the thing. Oh yeah, this guy was just giving a lot of code and I kind of rejected the opinion because that was a lot of code, man. Lot of code. And okay, he's creating an application. That's perfect. Wait, let's see. For the callback URL, he just used localhost. Okay, that's interesting. Maybe we could use in 2017. Okay, let's skip it. Okay. All right. I just got my first international client PayPal account. Good luck. Congrats. All right. Well, anyways, I will just get back to my thing. What can I do? I can do app.use. Yo, code, what's up? What's up, code kid? Long time no see, my friend. How's your work? Anyways, let me see. Parser, express dot. What is he doing? He is using express.json first of all. I am not sure why I'm actually just literally copying the code now because my code is not working. So I guess this is the best thing I can do now. URL in code. And what else do we have, my friend? We have extended false. I'm not sure why. Extended false. And then we have cookie parser. Do we actually need the cookies? Right now, I don't think I need the cookie thing. And then we have express or static. We don't need that as well. That's useless. Still working on that big thing, but it's going good. That sounds good. And let's hope that you can make that thing fast soon. Okay, this guy is using passport. I don't actually want to use passport. I want to do that thing myself. Cause yeah, I have to do some stuff, man. Ah, my brain hurts. Anyways, what's this? You are learning. I stopped. Why? Why will you stop it? No problem. I get customers mostly from US, Germany, and Canada. Yeah, rich. All right. Let's get back. Long time no see. Even we meet yesterday. Well, I wasn't on Steam nor Discord this month, so yes, sir. I think we talked probably a month ago on Discord. Maybe it was on the same topic on what you are actually coding nowadays or something. And yeah, Flame. For some reason, I'm way too stuck with saying the same thing. What's up? Long time no see. I don't know, man. Well, I mean, I'm actually streaming a lot recently. Like yesterday, I streamed probably twice or maybe three times, man. I'm streaming a lot. Damn lot, man. Some money means half property. Alright. That's what sad stuff. But anyways, I am unable to make that Twitter authentication URL thing work. So that is not good. The progress is dying, my friends. It is dying. We are not on a good situation. Let me just copy this URL so that I can just rush to the damn thing fast. Okay. So let's see what is wrong here, my man. Let's open the console. Do we have some kind of bugs here? What is this? The page setting block the loading of resource at this cross origin policy thing. Okay, very interesting. What's up here, man? Okay, there is some interesting errors, which I have no damn idea how to fix. Of course, I have no damn idea on how to actually make them all work, but we can figure it out. Come on. Let's see. We have this code. I don't want to use passport. Let me go to npm.js. Well, I can just look into their source code on how they are creating the redirect URI and stuff. Let me just do that. Uh, passport port dash Twitter. This is what we need. Yes, sir. We are finding the damn thing. Let me go to the GitHub. Let's see how they actually create the redirect URI, man. Let's go into this strategy. What's OAuth strategy? OAuth 1.5. Let's ignore all of that. We have the request token URL authentication URL. Doesn't matter. That's not what I'm talking about. Authenticate. What's this? That's also weird stuff. We don't need it. We just use a profile. Well, maybe I should use that package, but um, I guess I will use the package instead. That will make my life easier. I wanted to do it myself, but it's not working, my man. It's not working properly. What's up here? I wish I could do it myself. How do we create the URL, man? Let's see the strategy job. Let me just PRP in like 20 minutes. See ya having Diwali Bhojan. All right, man. Good luck. The work. And thanks a lot for joining the stream. Meanwhile, I will try to know why the hell this thing is not working. What's up here, man? Alright, maybe I will not try to figure that out. Instead, I can just package. That will be easier for me. I think that is easier for me. Alright. See ya all soon. And let me just yoink the code because I know what is happening here. Let's see on Twitter. Let's ignore that as well. I don't want to yoink this code to be honest. Consumer key, consumers callback, L, okay. Passport.use new strategy, app.use, app.get. Alright. We both should work on some project, buddy. Will tell you when I am back. For sure. Well, right now I am going to work on Uptime about with Sunshine. He's on my Discord. And after that, we can work on something. You can figure it out. Let me know what to import when we are. Send invite URL. Or wait, I'll search. I will search. Let's go on top.gg real quick. Oh, what's Pokey name? Let's search for the bot. Let's see, my friends. Okay, I can't find it. Pokey name. Let's try Pokemail. Can't find it. Send URL. Interesting. Well, if might be a Pokemon bot which is pop. I can seem to find it. Okay, it's sending. All right, sir. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for sure. All right. So what do we have, guys? Yeah, we are working here. All right. See, first of all, we will need the cookie parser, body parser. Use the passport and the. I will not even make the session thing. I just need to get the data. All right. And why the hell this guy is using? You know what I'm saying. Let me just enter, and instead of where, Control Shift L, const, and let me close this thing because we need to install some packages. npm I passport, and then we have passport dash Twitter. And now let's copy some more code real quick. Copy it, and let's just paste it. We have consumer key, consumer secret. Oh man, I .n.example. We have the API key, that is the consumer key. Let me just do it real quick. We can do process.n. Okay, I can't chill with Nuke. What are you making? I'm making a Twitter authentication thing in which people can log in with Twitter, to be honest. That's it. Well, I am making it for a Discord bot right now, but to be honest, right now I'm just testing it if I can make it or not, because I'm going to I need to make this thing, so I think I am forced to actually create it. It doesn't matter if I can make it or not. It is something that I have to make somehow. But right now I'm having some issues for some weird reason, so I'm actually using a simple code. I wanted to make this thing by myself, but I will use the simple thing that will actually do the thing for me. Grab the code real quick. Uh, Paste it here, and instead of my raw code I will remove it. Instead of that, these guys, this will do the thing itself. Like right now I was doing everything myself, but now passport package will do everything for me. Slash login, and then we have slash login slash callback. All right, let's try to run the code and let's find out if it is working or not. So I will need to go on let's localhost slash login. Let's see what will happen now. It is taking some time to load, which is not really a good sign according to me, but okay. Okay, sorry. Sorry, guys. It's 3001. My bad. Okay, login sessions require session support. I thought I will it work without that. Okay, I'm sorry. I will install it. This thing is making fun of me or something. All right, let's just install the package real quick. npm I express session, and then I will just use the session thing. Um, let's put it right here. Then I can just replace the where to const because I love const instead of a where. And then we can actually do the thing by literally using the session sizer. And then where is he putting that? He's putting it before passport.initialize in uh, sorry guys. What should I do next? There it is. Let's paste it and let's find out if it will work now. Let's go on localhost 3001 this time and go on the login page. And okay, I forgot to start the thing. I'm in a hurry, man, for some damn reason. Let's reload it and let's see if it works this time. Callback URL not approved. Sorry. Let's see. um well, I'm back. Let's see. What is the callback URI? This is the callback thing. Let me just check the Twitter API real quick, guys. Twitter developer portal. Meanwhile, you guys can look at the damn Discord one's video call options. Okay, interesting. All right. Anyways, I will first of all do some other thing, but instead of doing that, I'll go on crazy bot. And I forgot what I've heard. Okay. Oh, I found the issue, my friend. I pasted it real quick and let's just save it. The URL is saved. It should work now. Let me just show you the full screen. Let's go for it. Congrats. What is up? Failed to find request token in session. Well, everybody. You know what? Congrats. We do not need all of this bullshit. We don't need this passport shit. We don't need any of that. I will still use this express.json thing. It might come handy in case, but we don't need any other damn thing. We are good. Let me show you real quick. See, it works. Now I need to make, okay, well, I should not show you the award token, but I just need to work on that thing and then we are done. Here is the Twitter docs. Twitter user context authentication. Authentication overview. This is almost done. Let's go on the OAuth. Let's learn more on this thing because we are doing OAuth 2, that's for sure. What's up in the promotions? Okay, what's this? Okay, that's help command, interesting. Alright, so now what is up here? Weird stuff. Scopes. I don't really care about that. Rate limits. Okay. Interesting. Well, I could have used passport thing to just log in, but we are good. So let's see. We are getting a response authentication URL. It will make request on behalf of user OAuth2 now. See what's up. OAuth2 playground.glitch.me. This should be something helpful for us. Uh, that. So guys, now we have a OAuth2 token, right? Showed us a token. Not that either. We have OAuth2 verifier as well. Let's see. Let me just go on Postman real quick. Go on Postman API testing thing. We don't need any of this. We can get back to Postman and let's wait and do some cool stuff. We have a Twitter API. We have user lookup, get user by ID, authentic slash me. Yes, sir. How do we do authorization? Zero token from protection. I will need to paste the token here. All right. So let me just, you guys can look at the Discord. Meanwhile, I will run a test and see if this token actually works. OAuth2 token 404 not found. Okay. I think we need to get a bearer token from this OAuth token. Okay, okay. Let's actually try to do that. Twitter API get bearer token of user. That should be pretty simple. User token from OAuth2 token. Okay, let's find out. This is the URL, I think. OAuth2 slash token allowed a register application to obtain an app only OAuth2 bearer token. Yes, sir. This is the endpoint. Congrats, everybody. We are working on it. Let me just stop the thing. Yeah, man. Now I can actually do the thing myself. Axios, and the default thing is broken at the moment in the Axios thing. You guys might know about it. All right. And then what I have to do is I will just do Axios dot. Is it a post request? I think it's request. Axios dot post. We have the URL slash token. Now what do we need to do? Basic authentication. Use your API key as the username and API key secret as the password. How do we do that? Bank credit. Just replace $API copy type is bank credit because we need the damn thing. Also, we don't need the data. We just need config stuff, right? We need to config. What do we do? We give it. Let's see. Post. What? access. All right, guys. So see, my man, we have post comma. We have the data, and I don't want to give anything for that. The object. Then we have the config. I can make an object. It's not giving me suggestions. Why? Why do you hate me? Axios hates me. Help. Right. Now what? It should return me an access to something that's makes. I will need to do. We have OAuth 2 or authentication. Tweet lookup doesn't matter. Use follows, blogs, music. Ah, that sucks. Wish is up here. Just replace the API key. Okay, I have another great idea. Um, header thing, a body. You don't have to return them a body. We don't have to give them directly. Value. Something is missing. How do I give the okay? I can just hold it. C URL dash u parameter name. What is the property that it is going to edit? What are you doing, girl? Help me. I'm not talking about dash F. Shit. See what happens. Okay, so this is some stuff. Use the host name and port of a server for. Okay. What is the meaning of dash U? It is user. Um, is the user thing sent in a header or what? Of course, I have no damn idea on how that works. So I'd love to know that because I have no damn idea how that works. Okay. I need to actually learn. Interesting, but this is cheating. What's up? Sorry. Sorry, guys. All right. Well, I mean, like, it's a bot. People want it. I'll invite it. It's not a problem. Crazy dev, continue. You don't need to manage messages. Neither mention people. Let's authorize it. Yes, I am a human, my man. Yeah. Discord knows me. Discord know that I am a human and I am someone trustable. They can trust me so that's why they allowed me to access it without any damn thing. Let's manage my integrations. Where is the damn where's the damn bot? There it is. And now what? Um fucking bots. And then we have fucking what? What was the name? Pokemon. And now edit. Save the changes and congrats guys, we are done. That's all we need to do. Okay, how to pass username and password in okay, let's see. Basic, yeah, this is how does it work? Username and password. No, that's not what I'm thinking to do. Weirdo. No, no, no. Or maybe that's how it works. Is that how we actually do HTTP authorization header? So we just have to send it all in authorization header. Just say that, dude. Why are you making it complex for me? Just say, dude, that you need headers, and then inside that you need authorization. And here, first of all, How do we get the bearer token? Tell me already. First of all, you have to give the API key, I think. Alright, that's interesting. Me, this is cheating. That's true. Also, that's the bot. I mean, yes. Let's see. um, Error cases. Example response. Example request. What do we do here, my friend? Authorization. Same page. This is the thing. Yeah. API key and then API secret. Let's go on there. App and API key and then API. I can do process dot m dot API key colon process. Oh shit, bullshit. Let's copy it and API key dash secret SECRE. I have a feeling this will actually work. Let's do dot then x is equal to this response dot x, and we can add the same thing for dot catch catch. Now the thing is, guys, I cannot actually show this online because that might leak my auth URL, sorry, authentication token. So what I'm going to actually do is pretty simple. I will just log in, and meanwhile you guys can look at it. Authorize the app, and guess what? We have a XU error. It's 403 forbidden. Oh my god, my request of 403. Why? Why? Okay, that. Okay, now I'm going to try their method real quick. Control plus X, then X space, all of this. Yes, this stuff at the rate of that would go back, authorize the application. This time it responded me with an empty object. Oh, we are doing some great progress, my friends. We are making not working at all. What should I do? Help. I think I should have used the passport package of me actually trying. But if I am able to actually code this thing perfectly, then it is going to be great. But it is only if I am able to make. I have a feeling that I will fail. I don't know why, but you are about to log into the site using. Yes, I would. So the thing is, the method I used was wrong. If I just put it in authorization header, it says 403 forbidden. So you guys can see the thing. It is not working. I have access error 403 forbidden. What? What to do? Okay, that's interesting. Twitter cat. Second. Maybe I will just restart the thing and I will show you the whole screen once. Now, Twitter, then what? Get user token, access token. Yes. How do I get the access token? Authentication. You need to generate an access token and token like to do your application on you the API functionality. Yes, to generate the access token. Oh wait a second. Start with OAuth basics. Yes, OAuth methods. Yes. Now, first of all, what are they doing is an example of request will make to use the content type data URL client ID is good. Refresh to oh, interesting. App.settings, confidential clients, scopes. Then what do we have next? Rate limit. We have some rate limit. And we have glossary, like meanings of stuff, right? Now what happens? First of all, the person will log in, authentication happens, redirect to app URL, handle rejection, exchange authorization code for it. That's the what that I want to know how to do that. Sorry. Twitter API export for access token. How do I do that? How to obtain a user access? Yes, sir. Please teach that. Authorize the app. Post. Use this endpoint. Get second. Use the OAuth to get OAuth to. I need to learn how this. Oh, wait, I already have the token. I need to get the access. This is the endpoint. This is the endpoint that I need to see how it works. I have to authentication not required. Query parameter. You have to give. This was simple all along. I was just being a stupid asshole. No good reason. We don't need the damn header. I mean, we might need it. I didn't check it to be honest. I just trust. We need this thing. I can just do encode URI component. We can do request dot query dot OAuth to token. Then we need the OAuth to verifier. It is simple. Just literally copy and paste the damn. Copy it. See, it is this easy. We have OAuth to token. We have OAuth to verifier. Then it should respond me with the damn thing. Guys, we are close. We are actually close. You guys can get back to look at the Discord thing. Sorry for that, but no. Why the hell you cannot POV? You are nice. That's hard. Let me just show you. How can I show you the damn Discord? What's wrong with this application? Okay. Well, this thing of POV, you are nice. This is quite hard for me. I am way too used to actually not do that. Instead, I am more into just, just send the message, send them the reply, and let them get a mention. Okay, the request again failed. That is terrible. There, okay, guys. I have a code here. I'm not sure if it is my authentic URL. Let me go on Postman and check it out. I have a feeling. Let's do response to GG. Let's add a return here. And meanwhile, I will test it out and see user lookup, authenticated user lookup. We have to give the bearer token. And if it works, okay, that is sad. That's quite sad, but we are very close, my man. We are very close. And I hope you guys can look into some cool stuff on Discord. There must be multiple people talking cool, crazy. We have question mark state. We have end code. What's up with this? Okay, guys, we kind of messed up. Last time it was returning me it was returning me OAuth token, OAuth verifier. If you remember, it used to return me all of that. But now that is not what is happening. It's returning me a code. Uh, I'm not sure how what to do. By the way, let me show you the full more. And yeah, I will respond to that thing later. I will just search Twitter auth to once more and let's go on the documentation. Or I feel sleepy for some reason, but I have no time to sleepy. There's OAuth 2. This is not what I want to do. Type is where is OAuth 2? I cannot see it. Might OAuth 2. Login with a request. Step 2. Redirect the user. Okay, the request. Let's look into the any callback URL that you use. See what's up with URL. Uh, I'm using authorize instead of OAuth request to. Do you think that is an issue? Okay, callback. Redirect URL. Call it callback. Sorry about that. So all. Okay. No, no, no. Okay. Let's actually try with just the limited thing. Let's see what happens if I try to log in now. Let's actually try phone slash login. Okay, that was a mistake. That was a mistake, my bad. So how do we actually can request for the access token? Yes, sir, I'm going to do that. That's pretty much that's not what I'm doing. I am actually missing on some query parameter auth to rent type. Where am I giving it? This URL is wrong, and instead of slash token, we need to do the access token. This is the token which we need to slash access. And now we have to give it the OAuth2 verifier, but the request do not have it. Let me try to console.log one of just in case, by the way. Console.log the damn thing. Let's try to now log in. Localhost 3000 slash 1 slash login. And let's find out if it will work. No, it is undefined. Okay. Guys, I think I should just relook into it. I am missing something in this real act authentic. We are doing the. Let's look into the step one. Step one is in the slash request to. I'm actually sending the request. We need to post endpoint author to call back. This endpoint requires to. This is not what I want to do. Obtain a- I guess I am messing up some Twitter auth to get back. Let's get back to the beginning. All right. Let's just search Twitter OAuth. Indication of I go on Twitter OAuth to learn more. Now we have the scopes, rate limits, types or velocity. We have parameters, callback, authorization URL. Now this is how we do the authorization, right? Authorization seems perfect to me. Okay. So which you can okay. Okay. Your Twitter ID, we have client ID, we have everything. We are responding. Now what is it? Guys, I just got something in mind. You can look. I I did it just now. Send the URL. Okay, it doesn't work. It's not working. Okay, now let's just try to see what's up there. Okay, thanks, I'll check later. So this works, but take only one document. How take all documents? Find one, change to find. Or find create all document, but add new. uh, Instead of find one, we can do dot find, and then we can make it docs. You just want to add a new key, dude. You can literally doc await model dot. Also, let me make it a asynchronous function that they don't await model to. Here we can type doc, and before that we can just type this. It's simple loop. You don't have to do anything. But anyways, let's don't care about that. I'm done with Twitter Auth for today. That's my limit. Yo, Senpai, what are you coding? What the fuck happened to your voice? I don't. Yo, Graveson, what's up? I forgot to see the message. Or is it a recent message? Well, I don't know. How do I see timestamp? Let's make live chat for all. Toggle timestamp. 11:48, 11:46. So seems like I'm 2 minutes late, but anyways, what's up? Very hard working. खबर पे चलने वाला आ गया ग्रे वॉकर well yeah weird stuff Anyways, the Twitter authentication callback thing kind of failed. Well, I will look into that later on. But today I have one more thing to work, and that means I'm not way too late. Congrats, everybody. The next thing that I will work on today will be this weird website. Is a Discord bot website, of course. Nothing special, nothing cool. Yeah, it exists. Anyways, I have some template taken this time. I'm not going to make everything base. I mean everything from scratch. Twitter auth, yes sir. I am working on a Discord bot that like tracks if somebody liked a tweet or something. And for that, right now, okay, let me just show you the bot real bot. Bot's channel. Right now, I have this thing. Where is it? Just show you slash Twitter, and I can just click on connect thing, and I can give my own username. Like right now, it is, and then it will ask me to like the bot closed. Let me check what's up here, man. Dead live. The bot is dead. Ah, see where is it? There it is. Let's try to run the code. Let me just check the logs real quick. Heroku log. What's up, Heroku? I think it died because of a timeout or something. I don't really see a error. Why will it die? Okay, it is not dead because of timeout. It is just dead. That's interesting. Let me just do one more thing. Dash dash tail. Now this should not just die. Hey, it is 404. The website seems closed. That's for sure. Let's try to go on this URL. Let's see what's wrong here, man. The website is dead for some reason. Invalid route. Well, that means the website is actually alive. So right now the website is alive. This thing is alive. This thing is alive, but the command called Twitter is not alive. That's it. Let me try to do slash points to actually see if this bot is working or not. This bot is not working. Not URL may not be correct. Well, that's interesting. The bot is not responding. A big shame. We have ready.js. The bot thing never logged. Let me just try to restart this thing here, because I don't see a reason to actually rewrite the code. It is restarting. Let me add the logs. Let's see the logs, and let's see why it is dead. Process exited. Starting now, it ran. Now let's see. The Twitter raid bot is online. Okay. Meanwhile, let's try to redo the Twitter connect thing. Yes. Well, I already have an account connected. So let me just show you. First of all, we just do Twitter connect, and then it will give us a random key. Then we will need to edit it in our Twitter bio. I mean this thing, this thing, and then we can just do slash Twitter verify, and then I can just do slash Twitter info to see my information like this. And I mean, like if I showed you that much, let's just disconnect the thing. So, okay, didn't even ask for my confirmation. That is quite. But if I do crazy dash shishui, you can see it asked me to add this thing. If I try to do verify right now, it will, because my bio does not have that. But if I edit the profile and this, now this should work. Hopefully, try to verify now, and it works perfect. So that's it. Yo, pro gaming, what's up? So that's how the Twitter verification works right now. But the person I created this for said this is not that good. I mean, it is good, but professional people might not like it. So they want something like a Twitter OAuth URL. So I'm going to work on that now. And thanks for but yeah. Now I need to work on Twitter auth URL thing so that I can get Twitter ID and username thing. I mean, so that I can get this much detail from them. The username and the ID. That's To be honest, we just need a Twitter ID, but right now I kind of failed in making the Twitter auth thing. So maybe I will just use some npm package to, like, I can just use the passport package that will make my life way too easy. Let's see. But for now, everything else seems perfect. And now I will just remove the thing and I will actually work on a weird website that I'm making. Where is it? There it is. Well, this time, let me just nothing. Camera dev. So this person for whom I'm making this website is a cool guy. He gave me a template and I just have to kind of use the template. Well, yeah, life is really easy, man. So this is the site I'm working on. Right now, the homepage is not done. I This is home right now. But the logout thing and login thing works. Let me just try to log in. It will just send me to the Discord auth, authorize, and bam, logging in, and I'm logged in. I can go on dashboard page. It will guilds. I can invite in the guild, or I can just wait for it. I can just click on manage, and then we can manage. We can just enable a system, and then we can update it. Well, yeah, these checkboxes looks trash. I might do some CSS for the track. What is checkbox? But otherwise, it seems fine. And let's see what else. I think I will add URLs for these. Everything seems fine. I just need to work on the home page right now, and then I will need to work on a like, yeah, buy premium via website or something. But you know what? It is really easy for me to make the homepage because I have a template for index.html. I can just copy the path and I can look into the damn thing. You can see the header is almost similar, almost. But anyways, then okay, maybe I should make home button as component here. By this is some old code which I remove now, of course, because we have a template, my friend. We have a template. We don't need to worry about such small things. Let me add the home page real. Remove all of that. Let's do this. And here this is oh, should work. Yep. The auto bold thing does not work. So I will look into it, but that's fine. So the next thing that I have to do is I have to add this text here. That's that's pretty simple. I can just go on my home component and actually start working on it. So first of all, I will like to say Akame the Discord bot, and I think I will use this color. What's this color, man? Suited. This is the color I have to copy. Um, I will call it fancy heading. All right. Index.css. That is that there, comma fancy dash heading, and I will just copy this, paste there. I can do this, that, this, boom. Seems fine. Akame Discord bot. Good. Now we need to add some more stuff. Now we need to add this image thing, in which we have some Discord image. And of course, guess what I can do? Let me show you real quick. Ah, first of all, let me search Akame Discord bot. And then you can see we have these divs. And you know, right? I can yoink it all. Try it out. I have a feeling it might not work, but let's test it before. By the way, let's do Shift L. Let's ask what's up in the images. They don't have a corresponding closing tag. That's not a problem. I can close it in like couple. see what's up here now. We still have some error. Have a lot. I will need to actually work on the styles, position relative. Okay, so I can make a div and um or maybe I can just do something less hard. Let's just take it all. Shift X X delete. We need to make it an object. Ah, as did a paste them. Yes, it worked. Now what I can do is first of all make it a string, make it a flex. This one, make it a string, add a comma. Now in our transform thing, we can make this a string as well and remove these terminates and bam. That's it. It is simple as that. Let's these and let's try to add two commas. Do that. Do this. Do that. Do this and then do that. Do this. Boom. Now we just need to fix one more styling. It might actually work. Okay. So I can just paste it all. I will do this and then delete that. Do second. Now I can just do boom. Okay, wait, boom, comma, and I can add transform thing. Boom, boom, boom. Seems perfectly fine. We just need to look into that assets. I can just do source slash s. Okay, we have the images. Don't have that. This cool. Interesting. Ooh, we have an image fluid class. We need to get some CSS for this thing. I let me see if the bootstrap that thing height is on. They don't have it here. I right click, check the damn thing. Have image fluid after transformation. We have all of that. Okay. Well, let's start by decreasing the sizing a bit. Okay. So what I'm going to start with is in our home.tsx, we are going to put it all in container. I'll call it something. I'll call it. Give me a great name. Um, main dash. Uh, Right. See, threshold index. Do some styling. So first of all, let's start with heading 20 pixel, 50 pixel, 50. Now, got main one space, got image fluid. Where is the class? Image fluid. We will do some crazy transition, TRN point. Now we can do something this on scroll focus. Then what translate 3D? Let's see how translate oh, we have to give them the X, Y, and the Z axis. Try it. 8 pixel, 12 pixel, try to add hover. Of hover, visible, focus visible. Nice. HTML, CSS, animate, then this is the thing that I want to learn. You need to use JavaScript to detect the location of viewport and activate. How do I actually entry? Oh well, yeah. Why I'm in for make visible whenever elements are visible. How do I actually we have animation delay? I'm adding a like I think out of oh okay, I will just do hover for now. Make it 1 second. Reload it. 0.5 seconds. Like the can just 4 meters. Damn. Anyways, random number in CSS. Can we actually get a random number? I want to eliminate an. How do I make it? I wanted the animation to select be random. I want yes, where random number is random as access to offer a random. I mean random. Oh, that's stupid. But the CSS is not. Oh, that is so sad. Uh, oh, you are right. This guy is actually. But no, this okay. This is fine. Uh, Gold value increasing right now could. I think price all next month. I don't know why I think so. I'd buy some. Anyways, of course, I have no damn idea. I mean, I think gold prices should increase a lot right now because people are buying a lot in India at the moment, and then they should decrease. My assumption, the prices should fall probably a couple of thousand rupees. That's like I don't know, man, 10, 20, $30 or something. But anyways, on hover, I need to get some shadow, box shadow protection, terrible, box 00, even 0, 0. Let's add 5 pixels here, better, 2 pixels, more thing. Bold. The heading, is it bold, my man? You are already. Use your phone. Instead of white, let me try something. And we can even like translate the heading. Where is it? It there. Copy it. Copy and paste and position. Oh, we don't have a terminate. Fine now. I just need to decrease these things a bit. 3 pixels, 2 pixels. I can do -3. Reload it. -2 and -3. Seems better to me, to be honest. We have X and then we have the Y. Let's increase the Y by like 4. Let's change the X by 0. What about making it literally 300 pixels? I don't know what the hell is up with the Y axis. 0 as well. This seems fine now. Yeah, so you average uh $10. Anyways, let's get back to crazy dev. Oh, okay, block. We are done. Okay, this is kind of fine to be honest. Let's move on to the next. First of all, let me just open index.html, copy the path, control N, index.html used by users are service. What we okay, a lot of I will just yoink all of these codes. You don't need the contact details then. Copy it, remove it all, and in our home.tsx, after the main one, paste it all, Control Shift L, and now do one more thing. Replace all of these to like class name, and then I gotta do something weird. We will need to fix all the style. We have 13 of these hard. That was pretty simple. Let's style thing, style max text with. We have a lot of these, and this is not going to be that easy. It's going to take forever. Paste for a second. This if this was a bit faster. This is happening quickly. UILE style. I think I should just do a better CSS from index.css style. I will do it later when I actually do the things right now. Bit different. All right. What's up here? Expected corresponding closing. Images are not closed at all. Problem. All right, guys, we did something. So well, I was able to create something as you guys can see. Look at this beauty, my man. Beauty. You will love it. This is awesome. Terrible. You know, our X.html of these, all of these. Something is up. I'm either missing some HTML files. I don't know, man. Thing is lost. Let's remove all of this bullshit before the test because everything else is not working. I just know. Don't have enough closing. Oh, amazing. What do I need to do? Let's go to header. Literally app.tsx. Copy this section thing. Let's then let's go to like, we can add this here. Add another one. Or I can just add pi dash 20 index.css is going to be the same, but of 5 we will have 20. So now we have pi 20. We can have two of these. Maybe one is fine, or maybe we'll make it pi 25. Okay, seems perfect now. As you guys can notice, perfect. We just need some profile picture of, then we're done with. All right. See, now we just need to make these page small things, our services and our and these URLs to our Discord ticket center, and then our bot manage panel. That's all we need to do. Then we are done. Pretty simple, guys. We are way too close. Way too close. Up here. All right. Well, that's it for the today's stream. I'm streaming since 2 hours. And thanks a lot for watching. Bye.